Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps, and here we have to tap and open the settings. Now let's scroll down and find accounts. It's right here, let's tap on it, and now let's choose add account. Now let's tap on the Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, click on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and now let's click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Simply tap on it if you want to read it. And as you can see here, we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's click on accept. And as you can see here, we've got our just added Google account. And now let me show you how to remove it. Simply tap on it. Let's tap on this three dots icon and click on remove account right here. Click on remove account again. And as you can see, it disappears. So that's all. This is how to add and then remove a Google account from your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.